Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for METX Education Group Ltd. The stock report was first published on StockInvest on October 29, 2021. In this stock report we give you all the key information you need to know about METX Education Group Ltd for the upcoming trading day on Monday 1st. Knowledge is money, and this report is all about giving you information about support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels for METX Education Group Ltd. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Enjoy this unique report for METX Education Group Ltd, and please make sure you get our conclusion and forecast at the end of the video. In this section you will get general information about METX Education Group Ltd performance. The METX Education Group Ltd stock currently holds a 3.437 score, and our system has ranked METX Education Group Ltd buy or hold candidate since October 25, 2021. If you were following our analysis you would have had an amazing gain of 62.26% since we first told you to buy METX Education Group Ltd 5 days ago. This is an average return of 12.45% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for METX Education Group Ltd, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for METX Education Group Ltd stock price on Friday moving between 60 cents and 75 cents. The METX Education Group Ltd stock price gained 3.21% on the last trading day, Friday, October 29, 2021, rising from 60 cents to 62 cents. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 24.17% from a day low at 60 cents to a day high of 75 cents. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 96.01% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 250 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 672 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $415.12 million. The METX Education Group Ltd stock trends and predictions. The current METX Education Group Ltd trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a minus 26.20% change over the next 3 months. From a statistical point of view, a possible return between 88.65% and 151.18% from today's price. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 86.79% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 55.02% and 71.24%. This equals a price between 96 cents and $1.06 after a year. Here are some price predictions from StockInvest users. User 1 predicts that METX Education Group Ltd will go down negative $0.0782 and end trading at 54 cents on November 1, 2021. User 2 predicts that METX Education Group Ltd will go down negative 21 cents and end trading at 41 cents on November 1, 2021. Analyst ratings. On Monday, June 28, 2021, Aegis set target to buy. Signals and forecast. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The METX Education Group Ltd stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at 46 cents and 35 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, October 5, 2021, and so far it has risen 106.07%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence, divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 19 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 149 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd. Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd finds support from accumulated volume at 62 cents, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 15 cents between high and low, or 24.17%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 37.57%. In this section, we will give you important key values for Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd to up your trading game. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd meets first resistance at 66 cents. If you do not hold Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd finds first level of support at 62 cents, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at 60 cents, 56 cents, 51 cents. Sell at 71 cents, 74 cents, 80 cents. Our recommended stop loss is 60 cents, minus 3.52%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 18 days ago. Is Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 1st, we expect Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd to open up $0.0362 and start trading at 65 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.